Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech here. In this I'm going to compare which phone is really the best option to buy between the Realme GT2 versus Realme GT Neo 3 device. The main reason I am trying to upload this video is because by the time uploading this video, there's a huge sale going on the Realme GT2 where you can actually buy this device for about 24,749 rupees exactly. As you can see friends, 24,749 rupees on the Realme GT2, and on the GT Neo 3 there is no discounts going on at this moment. Unfortunately, nothing at all. No offers. As you can see friends, there is no bank offers going on. Usually there will be 7,000 rupees discount and final price will be 30,000, but I cannot find any kind of those offers at this moment on the Realme GT Neo 3. But on the GT2 there's a huge discount going on up to close to 24,749 rupees. As you can see friends clearly, all the discounts also I'll try to show you, and few of the users that did order the Realme GT2 device for about 24,000 as well. Few of my subscribers that did order after getting huge discounts. As you can see friends, exactly, I did upload the video how you can actually buy. Make sure to check out that video. So right now let's discuss which phone is really the best option to buy. For the price range, if you try to compare, the GT2 is the best one for the price. That's a very good deal. 25,000, go for it, no doubt. Next, if you try to move about other aspects, what about the performance, display, camera, battery charging, build quality, connectivity, and rest of the things. So there are a couple of other disadvantages which I started to notice in this device, which I'll try to mention. First thing is about the performance. So performance seems to be kind of pretty good, not bad, but there's some problem with the optimization. So for example, the performance in the Geekbenchmark scores are really excellent scores when try to compare with the Geekbenchmark in this device. Snapdragon 888 processor and this Dimensity 8100, excellent scores, no problem. And there's another good thing about this Dimensity processor is that the CPU throttling results, if you try to compare, they are really very high scores. Look at the CPU throttling numbers. That's pretty high scores. CPU throttle up to 85% and 80%. The temperatures are kind of very close to each other. Nothing much huge difference with the temperatures. So the lowest value in the Dimensity 8100 is not even equal to the highest value in this device. So that means the performance might be slightly kind of underclocked in the Realme GT2 because to avoid the overheating issues, I think so, with the Snapdragon 888 processor. Still, the Dimensity 8100 did not receive any updates, so right now it's kind of utilizing with the full potential and full throttle. That's the reason Genshin Impact gameplay in this device, it was able to maintain stable 55 FPS, but in this Snapdragon 888 device 45 to 50 FPS. Yes, it's not this is not that consistent, but this is more consistent regarding the Genshin Impact gameplay. If you cannot believe that, make sure to watch my channel which I did create regarding the gaming channel. So make sure to go to my channel and try to check the playlist. There you will be able to find all the videos on the Realme GT2 regarding the Genshin Impact gameplay. You will definitely understand that. Even in the gaming channel also, I did upload a couple of videos there which might be really helpful. So performance segment, the GT Neo 3 is slightly powerful, but the optimization is very bad. Like 30 FPS you can play in Battlefield's mobile game. Asphalt 9 game, 30 FPS. So these are the games which need to be updated between these both phones exactly. So performance wise better, but optimization is better in this device. Both phones cannot play high refresh rate games, so both phones RAM management is not that great. And next thing is about the display. When it comes to the display, which phone is really the best one? You might think that 10-bit panel is really best one, but there are a couple of other things you should know about the GT Neo 2. So first thing is that there's a special option which is called the MEMC feature, which is present in this one. This will actually boost the FPS from 30 FPS to 60 FPS while watching videos. Even though the video is 30 FPS, it can actually boost. So while you're watching YouTube videos, you can actually get 60 FPS without even utilizing that 60 FPS option. That's really very excellent in the Realme GT2. And in this GT Neo 3, very shockingly that there is no options at all. So all these three options are completely removed, like image sharpener, video enhancer, MEMC feature, nothing at all, no options. So display wise, slightly better options in the GT2. Even though this has got 10-bit panel, but still there is some screen bleeding is happening in the bottom part. I mean, there's some kind of color shift is happening in this device. If you want to know more details about this color shift, what's going on, please refer to the playlist which I created on the GT Neo 3, and there I did try to upload regarding the screen green tint issue and black color issue, all those things. So display wise, I'm quite happy with the GT2. Exactly, yes, that's what I thought of mentioning regarding the display. Even though it has got 10-bit panel, but this is pretty good. And touch sampling rate is also very high in this device. Right now, touch sampling rate in this smartphone, we are getting only 120 Hz. 360 Hz in this device. So display wise, best is the Realme GT 2 device regarding the display. If you try to ask me, definitely. So overall, next thing is about the camera wise. Camera wise, not a huge difference, friends. Both phones are same, but the mic quality is slightly better in the GT Neo 3 because this phone is suffering from the mic quality. Audio mic is not that great in this device. So there's some problem which I did upload a lot of videos. You can check out the videos. So this mic is pretty good when compared with the GT2. No issues with that. So camera wise also not bad between these both phones exactly, friends. Same kind of camera output can be actually observed between these two devices exactly right now while taking the images and everything, all the shots, all the details and everything. Nothing much major difference. You can see the like camera capture out there actually getting captured, the speed and everything. Dimensity 8100 is slightly kind of powerful in terms of taking the pictures, as you can see. Dimensity 8100 is slightly kind of very smooth regarding the overall picture taking quality between these both phones exactly overall. But image quality seems to be kind of pretty close, but I'll definitely do the outdoor testing tomorrow morning. I'm trying to go to the outdoor field. I'll definitely do the in-depth testing comparison. So overall video quality also kind of both phones can record higher FPS up to 4K 60 FPS. Stabilization and OIS and everything works perfectly alright between these both phones. You're not going to see any kind of much difference between these two devices regarding the stabilization between these both phones exactly. You can see the shaking thing between these both phones. So this is a quick information about the camera, friends. I'll definitely compare in depth about the camera. And next thing is about the battery. Both 5000 mAh battery, 80 watts charging and 65 watts charging. Even with 65, this phone can charge in 32 minutes. Using the 80 watts, this phone can charge in 29 minutes. Only 3 to 4 minutes difference is there, not a huge difference. But screen on time difference, I'm getting slightly very close, not a huge difference between the screen on time. I'll let you show you the details also. 6 hours of screen on time I got one day, and next day 7 hours and 35 minutes of screen on time. And same thing is a GT2 also. GT2 also I was able to get easily up to 6 hours and 7 hours of screen on time. GT2, as you can see, 8 hours of screen on time. Very close, not bad. As you can see, friends, clearly both phones. So overall, friends, regarding the battery, I need to do the side-by-side draining test very soon. I'll try to upload. But overall, battery-wise seems to be kind of very close between this both phones exactly. Next thing is about the build quality wise. Both are kind of excellent, nothing much major problems with the build quality. You'll get this kind of paper text on the back side if you like this kind of different feel on the back panel, and this kind of glossy type of back panel is very slippery in your hands. It cannot stay. As you can see, it's kind of very slippery as well in this device. So one more quick note, this build quality is exactly same as the GT Neo 2. Right now I do have the GT Neo 2, same build quality. So you can actually use the same cases whatever available in this device for this phone. That's an additional bonus advantage because you don't need to wait. But in this device you need to wait for more cases to be get released in this device. And in this device, no problem. You can use the GT Neo 2 cases with this phone and it works perfectly alright. So friends, regarding the build quality, both are like this, and regarding the haptic feedback, both phones are pretty good regarding the haptic feedback. Not a huge difference with the haptic feedback. Same thing. And connectivity wise, 4G Plus is not that good in this device, not that great in the GT Neo 3. Same SIM card, if I try to use side by side, I'm not getting any kind of 4G Plus carrier aggregation. I'm not sure what's going on in this device. Outdoors, I'm getting the 4G Plus carrier aggregation, but indoor, it's very low. I mean, I'm not getting that 4G Plus aggregation sometimes. Now I'm getting 4G Plus aggregation, but sometimes I'm not getting that kind of 4G Plus aggregation. I think this is the Airtel SIM card. In Jio SIM card, I'm not getting that kind of carrier aggregation. In the Airtel SIM card, I'm getting inside, but not Jio SIM card. So that's the thing which I did notice, and I did upload a lot of videos as well on the topic. So make sure to check out the videos in case if you're interested on those more details. Just today morning only I did upload the 4G Plus speed test. Try to check those videos. So connectivity wise, slightly better in this device. That's what I do feel. Software updates, I think 3 OS updates it can receive the GT2 series. That's very good advantage. And this will get 2 Android OS updates and 4 years of security patch updates and 3 years of security patch updates. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4. Better advantage for the GT2. So friends, in every category, I think slight advantage for the GT2 it is there. So that's what I will definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and buy the GT2 for the price of 24,749 rupees. That's really good deal, I would say. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates. Until I'm signing off, and bye.